grab. Now he's on the body, and my touch is down onto his base. He gives me some structure, I feel a structure, and then I magnetically pull on that structure. When you're pulling on the leading edge of his force, always measure how his balance comes out. So in this situation, his balance is stretching that way, where stretching his balance down, out on a curve. So you can take it any way you want with your mind. The easiest is to take it in the direction of the force, which is that way. Once you've created this magnetic pull, and you've been observing how the balance in the mental body comes out, you'll start to see the mental body. You're feeling it, you're paying attention to it, and it's just like a little bit of a haze, a mental layer in the back of your mind where you go, that's it, I know it's there, and you'll intuitively know it, and then you'll see it as a mental overlay. That mental overlay is really, really valuable if you're a healer, because when you're doing healing, the problems project as mental overlays. Oh, I've got to fix this, and I've got to fix this, and so forth. So get a sense of feeling the balance, and just allow your mind to see where it's going, what it's doing. Once you've gotten to there, then this hand can touch the bridge or touch his body anywhere, and you take the mental body out. Now, in the gap, you put the energy to create a bounce. And that's when we have the Tai Chi type of bouncing energies that come out. Because the more his mental body stretches, and when you put energy into that gap, you're going to get a reaction.